Welcome to Sandtech, your hub for tech tips, tutorials, and solutions. Subscribe now and join us as we make technology simple for everyone. Hyper-V VM Creation. Welcome. In this quick walkthrough, we'll create a brand new virtual machine in Hyper-V, step by step, from networking to booting in ISO. Let's get started. 1. Prerequisites. First, make sure Hyper-V is installed and you're running as an administrator. On Windows, go to Turn Windows Features On or Off, check Hyper-V and Hyper-V Management Tools, then restart if prompted. Have your OS install ISO ready, Windows or Linux, and know which physical network adapter you'll use. 2. Create a virtual switch. Recommended. We'll create a virtual switch so the VM can access the network. Open Hyper-V Manager. In the Actions pane, click Virtual Switch Manager. Choose External to let the VM reach your physical network. Click Create Virtual Switch. Give it a clear name like External vSwitch. Select your physical adapter. Leave Allow Management OS to share this network adapter checked unless you're dedicating the NIC. Then click OK. Approve the network change. If you only need host-only connectivity, choose Internal instead. For isolated labs, choose Private. 3. New VM Wizard. Now let's create the VM. In Hyper-V Manager, right-click your host name and select New Virtual Machine. Click Next on the intro screen. Name and location. Give the VM a descriptive name like Win11 or Ubuntu Server. Optionally, check Store the virtual machine in a different location if you keep VMs on another drive. Click Next. Generation. Choose Generation 2 for modern UEFI firmware, secure boot, and faster networking. Use Generation 1 only for older OSs that require BIOS. Click Next. Memory. Set startup memory, for example, 4096 megabytes for Windows 11 or 2048 megabytes for lightweight Linux. Check Use dynamic memory so Hyper-V can adjust RAM as needed. Click Next. Networking. From Connection, pick the virtual switch you created, External vSwitch, then click Next. Virtual hard disk. Create a VHDX, for example, 64 gigabytes for Windows or 20. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications to never miss an update.